In front of me is REALME Narzo 60, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. Start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and the blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, the switcher and all of those options turned gray. That means that autofill is definitely off, but you can always switch it back on by hitting the same now gray switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!